Setting up CreditSaint credit education is a straightforward process that can help individuals improve their credit knowledge and management skills. To begin, visit the CreditSaint website and click on the Sign Up button to create an account. Fill out the registration form with your personal and contact information, and then verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to you. Once your account is set up, you will have access to a range of educational resources, including video lessons, interactive modules, and credit management tools. The first step is to complete the credit assessment quiz, which will help identify areas where you need improvement. This quiz covers topics such as credit reporting, credit scoring, and debt management. After completing the quiz, you will be given a personalized learning plan that outlines the topics you need to focus on. The learning plan is tailored to your specific needs and will guide you through the educational process. The video lessons and interactive modules are designed to be engaging and easy to understand, and they cover a range of topics, including how to read a credit report, how to dispute errors, and how to build credit. In addition to the educational resources, CreditSaint also offers a range of credit management tools, including a credit score tracker and a budgeting tool. These tools can help you monitor your credit progress and stay on top of your finances. To get the most out of CreditSaint, it is recommended that you log in regularly and complete the lessons and modules as outlined in your learning plan. It is also a good idea to take advantage of the credit management tools and track your progress over time. By following these steps and using the resources provided, you can improve your credit knowledge and management skills and achieve better financial health. Overall, setting up CreditSaint credit education is a simple and effective way to take control of your credit and improve your financial well-being.